Welcome to another video. So today's video, I want to see like roasted yam. Don't they hungry me for so long? So I bought this one yesterday when I was coming back. So I'll be roasting this. I'm going to prepare roasted yam with sauce with fish. Okay, let me show you guys the fish that I'll be using. Put the fish inside the water. This fish, the fish I've met, this fish. So I'm going to fry it, use the sauce to, now. So let's go, let me show you.
Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the time that you're watching this video. So guys, as I said earlier, this is me just cutting the yam because there's a lot of sand inside this yam. So I wash it with my sponge and all that. So I'm just cutting it the way I want it to look like. You get. So guys, please like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Like this food, this particular native food, I've been like, if I don't eat it it has been long. I normally eat yam, but it has been long I do roasted yam, and this thing is sweet. Guys, we finished this yam. Normal, we cannot finish this yam, both of us, but we finished the yam. Obi loves this thing so much. When I was in Nigeria, this is what I normally buy. I don't cook. I'll just go to where they normally do roasted yam with sauce. That's what I will eat and sleep and all that. So this is me just putting it inside the oven, and this is the fish that I'll be using. I'll be using the slime orange to wash it because all this fish now, person don't know where they preserve and all those things to get. So this is me just washing it. I cut out the head because I don't like the head. The head, if there is no how you are going to wash it, it look as if it's draw. I always cut out the head out because I don't want it. So I've put oil. I made a mistake. I'm supposed to use red oil instead of groundnut oil. But next time, I'll be really, because I just really hungry so much. It just did like say this food that they eat for my dream. So this is me just removing the tomatoes and the fresh pepper that I've already sliced. See, tomatoes has a lot of water. So this is me just checking out this thing, if this thing is ready. At the time, the fish was wasting a lot of time. I'm just testing. Guys, I don't normally use spices, so the rain is falling.
Everywhere is raining.
I don't know if you are like me. Some people will say they need to buy so spices to cook their stew or whatever. I use only salt and maggi. And if you test them in the sweet like that, okay, the food is ready, guys. What did you think? Let me know in the comment section. Please, guys, like and share this video, okay? Follow this page for more. You are going to enjoy it, because we'll be bringing a lot of content to you. So this is me just testing it before Oga came out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.